October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this set is dedicated to everyone who has been affected by breast cancer. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today's set is dedicated to everyone, any and all, who have been affected by breast cancer. In today's video, I will be using all Madam GLAM products, in particular all pink Madam GLAM gels. And if you didn't know this, in the past and as well as again this year, Madam GLAM has partnered with survivingbreastcancer.org. So during the month of October, every single pink gel that's sold through Madam GLAM and part of the Think Pink collection, for every sale, $1 of that sale will be donated directly to survivingbreastcancer.org. And I think this is really, really awesome. It's nice to know that Breast Cancer Awareness Month is important to Madam GLAM just as much as it is to me. If you follow me, you know a couple months back I had my own breast cancer scare. I ended up having a breast biopsy, which is something I never want to go through again, and I currently have a piece of metal in my right breast marking where I got that biopsy. So again, next year when I get my yearly mammogram, they'll be checking that spot as well as other spots just to make sure everything is okay and I am cancer free. I also know several people who have survived breast cancer. One of those people are one of the lovely roses here in our rose garden. So I dedicate this set to her as well. So again, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's Wednesday today. Wednesday, many wear pink. When you wear your pink, make sure you also think of those who have survived, passed away, or have been affected by breast cancer in any way, shape, or form. If you are of the age, or if it's been suggested by your doctor to have a mammogram, a yearly mammogram, please go ahead and do that. Let this be your reminder, as I always remind you guys, get your mammogram. They mean everything. If I wouldn't have had my mammogram like I normally do every year, I would have never noticed the change in my breasts. I had no lumps whatsoever. To many, there are no signs, so that mammogram means everything. So this is a little bit different collab I'm doing with Madam GLAM. I chose 3 different colors that I already had in my collection, which happen to also be included in the Think Pink collection. I do invite you to go ahead and click my link below and use my discount code on Madam GLAM and check out the wide variety of different shades of pink. I am scrolling the site right now. There's about 3 pages of pink gels. It's crazy. There is cream gels, syrup gels, glittery gels, pudding gels, cat eye gels. There are builder gels, different opacities of gels. There's even press-on nails. So when I say this collection is huge, it's huge. And consider just, purchasing at least one, and it's all to bring awareness to breast cancer. As you can see, with the colors I chose, they mean a lot. Her Strength, come on. Perfect name, because if you're battling breast cancer or if you know someone who has, sometimes it may be hard to find that strength, but these women are some of the strongest ever. And not just to say women, because there are men who have been diagnosed as well with breast cancer. So be aware of that. I also chose the color Perfect Pink because it wouldn't have really been right if I didn't use my Perfect Pink I already had in my set. And later on, I include Bright Barbie Pink, which is a neon pink. I want to go ahead and set off this set and bring all I mean all attention to these nails because they mean something really important to me as well as Madam Glam. And you'll see I will include some breast cancer awareness stickers I happen to actually find. And I love every single one of these. I've already gotten compliments on this set and I hope you like it as well. Let me know, are you paying attention to the fact that this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month? Are you donating to any charities? Are you supporting walks, runs, t-shirts, anything that's out there? Let me know down below, and I'm going to stop talking. I'm not talking through this whole video. I'm going to cut on some music here, and at the end, I hope you decide to come back to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I hope you subscribe. I hope you hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month and breast cancer survivors everywhere. Also, leave me a comment. And October 19th is a day that worldwide will be wearing pink in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. October 19th is the date we all around the world tell breast cancer to take a hike. Let me know if you'll be joining in. Make sure you wear your pink on October 19th. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye. you.